What's up, everybody? It's Hey Jon. I jabber opportunities nonstop, and in today's video, we'll be covering such topics as how Bitcoin affects Dogecoin, Elon Musk continues support of the Dogecoin, Goldman Sachs, Rubuni, Novogratz, and most importantly, how the heck do you buy gas with Dogecoin? And of course, now we are seeing Dogecoin miners going public. This is quite phenomenal. So make sure you watch this whole video to capture all this insight. Bitcoin crashes toward $30,000 as Ethereum, Binance's BNB, Cardano ripples, and Dogecoin lead another crypto price plummet. As we know, for Bitcoin, the resistance will be at about 41K. We got around there and we got rejected. And as you know, what is bad for Bitcoin is bad for Dogecoin. Let's go ahead and give this a quick chart perspective. Bitcoin, the resistance I told you about, it's about $41,000, right? And if you can see here, right here, we are getting rejected off of that, anywhere from 38,871 up to about 41K is a sell zone. We saw that happen, and now we are dipping back down. It's very unfortunate, and now I'm seeing a possible hill action. Usually when I see hills, that's a sign of bearishness. If this continues, this could be a bad sign for Dogecoin, but we have to wait and see what other news drops for Bitcoin. Please like this video, because when you do that, you are telling YouTube, hey, I like what Jon is doing here, so please share this video with more people. And when you do that, you are supporting my channel, and I deeply appreciate for that. And of course, make sure you subscribe and notify, because I do live streams of technical analysis on Dogecoin every single day. So make sure you do that so you catch it and you don't miss a beat. Thank you. Elon Musk continues to back Dogecoin over its competitors. Should you take a chance on the meme crypto? Wow, that is a great question. And let's see, should we or should we not? Dogecoin itself isn't effective as storing value. Unlike Bitcoin, there is no hard cap. Dogecoin does not have this protection. Proof of work system, and they are also rewarded for the work by earning Dogecoin. Dogecoin is highly influenced by inflation. Publicly listed, HelloPal acquires Dogecoin miner, hails meme crypto as the people's coin. Very interesting here. The company is called HLLPF, or HelloPal International. Gained more than 10% on Thursday after a Canada-based company provided more details of its recent acquisition of Dogecoin miners. CryptoPal Technology Limited right here, right? What happened? HelloPal said its acquisition of a 51% stake in CryptoPal for $3.5 million was based on Dogecoin at 55 cents. Well, this is quite phenomenal, because now we're seeing actual companies buying an actual company to mine a Dogecoin. While this is true, Dogecoin is influenced by inflation. However, though, we are seeing tons and tons of inflation in the markets today. We are seeing not one, not two, not three, possibly the fourth stimulus check might be coming soon. And guess how that is created? Through money printing, aka inflation. When you are going to the grocery store, you are seeing inflation happen. Also, some things such as supply chain disruptions. But overall, though, I would say it is due to inflation, because I don't know about you guys and gals here, but when I went to a restaurant the other day, I spent about 20 bucks for a sandwich and a drink. I was like, holy cow. And that was before a tip. And I didn't go anywhere fancy, like, you know, a steakhouse or anything. Just a regular place. The prices of everything is skyrocketing. I mean, if you're telling me it's not, if you're telling me it's not due to inflation, then I don't know what to tell you, man. I see it when I go out to buy stuff, you know? So, I mean, hey, if you don't believe in it, hey, then you know what? Don't buy Dogecoin. It's okay. But Dogecoin is a hedge against inflation. So is Bitcoin. So it's good to have alternative assets to protect your wealth. Of course, there's also God's money, aka gold and silver. They have both stood the test of time. Cryptocurrency is new, right? new in a sense where they have not been tested against time, wars, you know, depressions, recessions, etc. But this could be a very key testing ground for cryptocurrency if they can retain their value and actually increase in value during these tumultuous times. As you know, then I think cryptocurrency will have a very bright future. And more importantly, people will invest into cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, etc. as a hedge against inflation and against the economy. So we have to wait and see what happens. Goldman, Rubini, and Novogratz explain where they stand on Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is quite interesting because, as you know, Goldman Sachs, Rubini, Novogratz, they're very large companies and they like to invest into things. And the fact that even Bitcoin is on the radar just tells me there is some staying power here. And if it were me, I would not be concerned with Dogecoin or Bitcoin. They're going to be here to stay. They have very large backers. And now Bitcoin, for the first time in history, they now have institutional money. Ethereum, they have institutional money as well. So these institutions investing into these alternative cryptocurrency assets, well, you know what? They aren't here to invest to lose their money. So I will have to say they did their homework and they know what they're doing. And in the market, they call this following the smart money. But of course, there may be some people coming out saying, you know what, well, what happened to Lehman Brothers, etc. here, right? Very, very big companies, and they fell apart at the seams when they were just doing all of these messed up financial trickery. Well, Goldman Sachs and these three here have been around for a long time, and I don't see them going away. And plus, there are other institutions in Bitcoin and Ethereum now. More importantly, though, right, Dogecoin doesn't have any official institutional money yet, but in my opinion, when Coinbase lists them in 6 to 8 weeks, well, guess what? Coinbase has tons of institutional money ready to buy stuff. The only thing is that they don't want to leave the Coinbase platform. So when this happens in 6 to 8 weeks, we may see Dogecoin rise again. This could be the low before the rocket. Sheets to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin for payments at its outlets. Well, this is quite significant because Sheets is an East Coast company and they have many stores. And of course, since they're a convenience store, they sell things like, you know, chips, coffee, gum, junk food, etc. Think of it kind of as a 7-Eleven for the most part. But they take Bitcoins, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. This means that we are seeing more market adoption. And you know what? For cryptocurrency, this is never a bad thing. This is a good thing here. Sheets operates more than 600 convenience stores throughout 6 states: Pennsylvania, Maryland, Ohio, Virginia, West Virginia, and North Carolina. In its stores, Sheets sell everything from made-to-order salads to freshly baked goods to discount cigarettes. Holy cow, this is quite phenomenal. If you are in any of these states here, and if you use or you go to Sheets, confirm down below and share your experience in a comment with how is it to use your cryptocurrency to buy products in Sheets, the store itself. And more importantly, Sheets has $6.2 billion in revenue. Imagine that. Imagine how many Dogecoins you would be exchanging, right? If you go there and use your Dogecoins, your Bitcoins, your Ethereum, etc. there. And of course, they also have gas stations. And what greater way to buy gas than buying your Dogecoin, I'd say 30 cents, and it goes to $1. My God, are you getting a discount on your gasoline? We all know that mining Ethereum and Bitcoin is way more profitable than mining Dogecoin. But the fact that we're seeing people actually going into the mining space for Dogecoin just sets a tone. And the tone is Dogecoin is here to stay, and their value is increasing and increasing and increasing. And by default, that means that it is worth more.